I'm going to be trying or test out is this matte bronzer. This is from W7. It looks really good. I love when bronzers are super matte and super dark. Also, I'm going to be trying this foundation. I don't know how to pronounce this brand in English. Also, I'm going to be trying out a powder. This is from e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. I just bought this because it was cheap, so anyways, we're just gonna rock with it, and I hope you guys will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Let's go. So I just did my brows because I can't do it on camera because but now first strobing, then primer on my nose, on my cute, over my cheeks, down my face with this hairband, but I look too crazy for that, so I'm gonna prime first. Take a little bit on my cheeks, chin, forehead, a little bit on my nose. Okay, so the foundation is a little bit darker. A little bit. Like this one. Or it's very dry. It's very dry. You can see how dry it was when I applied it to my face. And I kind of want it to be winny. No, but I want a foundation to be very liquidy. Like, okay, so I just applied the foundation. I like it. It has a medium coverage. Oh my god, that sounded so scripted, but it kind of was. No. Yeah, it has medium coverage. Pretty nice. I like how it's matte, but I also like not matte foundations. I don't know. The color, I guess, is a little bit dark, but I kind of like it that way, so I'm not gonna lie and say that I didn't mean. I mean, what? That's just me. That's just a preference. Everybody has that. So I have 3 concealers right here. The first one is from something. The second one is the Fit Me, and the third one is from LA Girl. Also, I'm going to be taking my all-nighter from Urban Decay. It's a setting spray after I apply the concealer. I know, to blend. I saw some YouTube guru do this, so. Now I'm going to be taking my contour stick from Benefit. This is my cheeks, a little bit under my nose, and my jawline that I don't have. And then I'm gonna set under my eyes with this powder from, yeah, I'm gonna place it under my eyes. I'm not gonna really bake because I think that that gives a very, or I think that leaves a very, I don't know, patchy result, especially under my eyes. It creases a lot and no, it's not cute. And oh my god, I just realized that I was gonna try my powder that I bought. I think the powder is is really nice. It's very cheap, so it's very good for its price, but I'm not really sure about this colors on powder. I don't know. I usually go for translucent powder. I think this looks a little bit cakey on my face. I don't know, it feels like it has the coverage to it. But I mean, it set my face, it set my foundation, powder, or concealer and everything. So I've always had this. Like, I've had this for like 10 years. No, 10 years. Whoa. I'm not that old. But wait. Thank you. Yes, I'm gonna try out this now. I'm just using a brush. I don't know how pigmented this is, but oh, it has a mirror. That's really nice. Okay, yes, it was very pigmented. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I was not expecting that much pigment. Damn. Blush, I'm using this from Milani. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeshadow. This is not really an eyeshadow makeup tutorial. So I'm done with my eyes. I only did one shade of brown. And I'm just gonna set my face with this eyeliner. And I'm just gonna use a liquid lipstick. So yeah. So I'm finally done with my makeup tutorial. It was definitely not a chit chat get ready with me. I realized that 40 minutes into the video that I didn't talk at all. Just about the products that I used, but it was a makeup tutorial. I don't take any tips from me. I don't know what I was doing. Anyways, I hope you guys like this awful video. I'm going to link my Instagram and stuff in the description if you want to follow me. I don't know why you should, but watch.